joining us are the Minister of Defense, the Chief of the Strategic Operational Command, the Vice President for Citizen Security, the Council of Vice Presidents, and the Foreign Minister of the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela, as well as special guests we have invited to this National Defense Council. From here, we demand the immediate release of President Nicolas Maduro and his wife, Cilia Flores. The only president of Venezuela, President Nicolas Maduro. We are determined to achieve freedom. Here is the highest command of the Venezuelan state. The state is the military high command, the high command of the state, the high command of the Council of Vice Presidents. All the political forces of national power in Venezuela are united. But there is also a people in the streets of Venezuela who have mobilized in response to a call already made by the President of the Republic, and which he warned, if anything were to happen to President Nicolas Maduro, the people should take to the streets, mobilize the body of militants at their workplaces, mobilized the Bolivarian National Armed Forces activated and deployed throughout the national territory, citizen security agencies activated, all the national power of Venezuela activated. Not even empires, nor empires in decline. As if by inheritance we have the sacred duty to safeguard our national independence, our sovereignty, our territorial integrity, which has been savagely attacked in the early hours of today. The international community has joined in and raised its voice in support of Venezuela. From the vast and diverse nations of China, Russia, Latin America, the Caribbean, Africa, and Asia, the governments of the entire world are simply shocked and utterly dismayed that the sovereign is being made the victim and primary target of an unprovoked attack of this particular nature, which undoubtedly carries significant and deeply concerning Zionist overtones. It is truly shameful. A very high awareness of what they're and the Venezuelan people, fully aware, with the sacred fire of the homeland burning within them, are outraged by the illegal and illegitimate kidnapping of the president and the first lady, the first fighter, Cilia Flores. All of Venezuela is activated, and the decree, which has already been signed by President Maduro, the only president of Venezuela, there is only one president.